6 years ago, this whole city watched Ray Delgado get convicted of armed robbery. Cameras, headlines, case closed. Today, the verdict is gone. The judge who signed it sold verdicts for cash, and every case he touched is back on the table. 12 chairs. One of them is yours. You are juror number 7, and everyone already knows he is guilty. Everyone except the law. It starts with an envelope, a jury summons, same paper that went out to 1,000 strangers. You cannot ignore it. Skipping jury duty is contempt of court. That is a fine, and in some states, a cell. In the courtroom, lawyers start cutting. Anyone who read the old headlines, anyone who says the words, "I remember him." One woman says the quiet part out loud.
I read the paper 6 years ago. He did what they said he did.
Struck. That sentence is called bias, and bias is the one thing a jury cannot carry inside.
You kept your mouth shut. You are not sure yet. And not sure is exactly what the law is looking for. Before the first witness, the judge leans forward. You know her from the news, Judge Mercer, the one who does not blink.
You will decide this case on the evidence, not the headlines. The evidence and nothing else.
Here is the mechanic under that sentence. Ray Delgado walks in innocent, legally innocent. The state has to build guilt from zero, brick by brick, beyond a reasonable doubt. Not probably did it, not everyone knows. If one honest doubt survives the evidence, the law says not guilty. The first trial skipped those bricks. The judge was paid $400 to skip them. That is why you are here. For 2 weeks, the trial owns you. You cannot Google the case. One juror in Florida did. Mistrial. Thousands of dollars burned. Trial dead on day 9.
You cannot talk about it. Not to your wife, not to juror number 8 at lunch. In loud cases, courts go further. Sequestration, hotel rooms, no news. Phones collected like car keys at a party. Because the moment outside noise touches one juror, the whole machine is poisoned. And the evidence you actually hear is thinner than the headlines promised. Where does that testimony come from? Long before trial, a detective interviewed every witness in a small interview room. Camera rolling, every word locked into a written report. So in court, the prosecutor's not interrogating anyone. She asks precise follow-up questions, hunting for cracks between the report and the story. Pressure, coaching, or a lie. A shaky witness, a partial print. 6 years of certainty standing on 2 bricks. Then a door closes and 12 strangers are alone with a verdict. First vote, 11 guilty, 1 not guilty. Yours. The foreman sighs.
11-1. Come on, 7. Let's all go home.
But here is the rule that makes your chair the most powerful seat in the building. The verdict must be unanimous. 12-0, either way. If you hold and nobody moves, that is a hung jury. Mistrial. The state starts over or walks away. One person can do that. Legally. Quietly.
So you do the only thing a juror owes anyone.
You make them walk through the evidence, brick by brick. The shaky witness gets shakier. The partial print fits half the city. And one by one, hands start to change. And there is a deeper power in that room, one they never print on the summons. A jury can look at proven facts and still say not guilty because the law itself feels wrong, or the punishment does. It is called jury nullification. Judges hate it. Nobody can overturn it. An acquittal is final. Double jeopardy means Ray Delgado can never be tried for this again. That is how much this system trusts 12 ordinary people. It hands them the last word and locks the door behind it. Final vote. 12-0. Not guilty.
outside, the cameras are waiting for a monster. They get a man walking home instead. 6 years late.
Case file. 5 things you now know. A summons is an order, not an invite. Bias gets you struck. Silence about your certainty gets you seated. The state builds guilt from zero, beyond a reasonable doubt. One juror can hang everything because verdicts are unanimous. And a jury's mercy is final. No appeal, no retry. Next case, you switch sides. You prosecute a cop who planted evidence. Same system, different chair.